At Otis Elevator Company, we know that in today's fast-paced world, that time is limited and instant access to information is critical. Decisions and updates need to be made beyond the office walls. Introducing eService Mobile, the app that brings together the convenience of eService, Otis's online customer account tool with the ability to manage your elevator equipment on the go. Add convenience to your day. From placing service calls to viewing their status, eService Mobile provides you the information you need to effectively manage your business. If you have an issue with your elevator, Otis's eService Mobile app makes it easy to request a service call. Simply tap Log Service Call, enter the details, and click Submit. With eService Mobile, it's easy to stay up to date on the status of your equipment by viewing open service calls. You know instantly when an issue is reported to Otis and by whom. Then track the history of completed activities performed on your equipment. From maintenance and repair to service callbacks, we'll keep you informed on everything we do. Need to follow up with your account representative? Simply tap the Contact Otis button and place a call or send them an email. Do you prefer to speak directly with our Otis Line customer service representatives? All it takes is 2 simple taps. eService Mobile is available for iPhone and Android smartphone users. And best of all, it's included with your existing maintenance contract. Whether you're in the office or on the go, it's now easier than ever to stay close to your equipment's service information and Otis. So what are you waiting for? Gain the convenience and flexibility of mobility with the performance of Otis eService. Download the app today.